Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Sprint Past TSA." Man, listen, when you go to TSA, man, you better be real calm, cool, and collected, because any little thing will get you jammed up. Let's get into it.
On August 18th, 2024, officers were on scene at an airport when a woman ran through airport security without being properly vetted.
They're 10-4.
Oh, the old timer got him. Oh, old timer.
Can you guys call my friend Dion? He's over there.
Hurry.
Hold on, that's how you know they got good jobs, boy. They got a good position at the airport, man. All you see is all old timers, no young bulls, man. They got all old timers working in there, man. That's crazy. That's how you know that that's a laid back job.
Take her up, put her. Take her to the breather room.
Can you guys call my friend? I got my ID and everything with him.
Yeah, we'll call him.
Will you call him right now?
Yeah, we already did.
You called? No, you didn't. You don't even know what he's saying. What's his name? Can you call him? Can you please call him?
That's it?
Can you please call him?
I already told you, yes, we'll call him.
But did you call him?
She didn't have any bags, right? Nothing?
No, my bag is over there on B9 with my ID and everything. How far are we going?
Such an embarrassment.
Huh?
Down the stairs.
Well, what are we gonna do? Are you guys gonna make me board my plane? I'm gonna miss my plane.
They're gonna make you miss your plane?
Where are
No.
you guys taking me?
Going to the...
Where are you guys taking me? Where's the office at?
Right here.
You made you miss your plane.
All right. My name is Deputy Sheriff Chris Keegan, ID 8414, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, working at... In other words, can you tell me what happened today? You were working the
Yes, I was working the exit, and nobody was allowed to come back the other way. And a woman came up, and she wanted to come through, and I said, "Ma'am, you can't come through." I said, "You have to go back to security." She took her, she goes, "I don't have my license." I said, "Well, you have to call somebody." She goes, "I don't have my phone." I said, "Well, then go use the courtesy phone and call them." And during that time, she started shuffling her feet forward towards me. So I kind of had a feeling she was maybe going to try to run, which she ended up doing.
Are you saying run by you or run away from you?
No, she ran by me.
Ran by you.
And I actually stepped over to the side to try to slow her down and stop her. And she just ignored it and just went around me and ran over there. And I yelled, "Breach."
What time was that?
That was at, what was it? 2:16? I'm not even sure.
Okay, what's today's date?
The 18th of August, yes.
And she ran, and what did you see what happened after that?
Yes. I called for a breach on my radio. That's got the people that I work with to know what was going on. And the officer heard me say it too. And he went over and he said, "Ma'am, you have to stop." And she didn't want to stop. And then because I have to really kind of keep my eyes forward, but I mean, I heard him asking her to stop. She wouldn't stop. And then he was trying to stop her, and they were wrestling around and whatever. I don't see all that. The only thing that I did hear is he asked her to put her hands behind her back, and she was not complying. That's all that I did see.
I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
PBSO.
Hey.
Okay. All right. Real quick, my body cam is rolling. So tell us what happened, officer. You know, it was a breach. Of course.
Right, so I was standing on lane 6, chit-chatting with one of my officers about something that happened this morning. And I hear screaming like, you cannot go that way, stop, stop. And next thing I know, like, I just heard.
Hold on. Let's rewind it now. Chit-chatting about something that happened this morning. Or y'all trying to figure out the lunch order for today? Come on, keep it honest with me now. Keep it honest with me. You chit-chatting about what happened earlier today? Or you chit-chatting about what y'all gonna order for lunch? Come on now. You ain't gotta fake the funk with me, baby. I know the real.
And I saw Spears running this way. He took her down, you know, and I just walked over there and to see what was going on. Like, what can I help with this TSA? Because they just breached our exit. Yep. And he's, you know, scrambling with her. So his body cam was on the ground. I picked it up. I said, I don't think it's on. I don't know how to turn it on. I was like, do I need to hit a button? And he's like, you know, when he's trying to deal with her. There was another male passenger over there, and he's like right up on Spears. And I said, excuse me, sir. I was like, please do me a favor. I was like, give me that. That's hers. I got it. I was like, I'm TSA. Back away. We have this. Okay. So they left.
All right. Real quick, do you guys have? I know we have camera footage at the exit right there for you guys. Can you access it? We can go over to your room if you want.
Yeah, for that one, I want to say DOA is probably going to have a better camera for you.
We'll go up to the comm center.
Yeah, because ours is going to focus out this way. Unless True was here and I had access to True's cameras because he's got all DOAs, we're not going to have right there.
We have them as well. I just know our sergeant's busy.
Yeah.
Do you guys have a camera that you access the exit other than the one that's right here, the switch?
Yes.
Okay. Because that would show us her running in.
Camera lady, you wanna get the camera out?
That was the slowest juke move I've ever seen, boy. Then the old timer took her down. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this a retirement home airport, man. Nothing but old people, man. Where the young bulls at?
You guys are paging him now? You paging him now? My flight's about to board. What's gonna happen? We're gonna miss the flight.
Was there anybody else with you?
Yes. I just go to the bathroom. The bathroom was too full, so I went to the other. I didn't know I couldn't come back there. My flight's about to fly out. That's why I wanted to go get my ID. I asked the officer to come with me. Is anybody paging him, please?
Oh, brother, stop the crying. That fake ass crying.
Exit lane?
Yes.
That's why you were detained.
Because I need it.
You can't do that.
I didn't know that. This time is too tight. Can you loosen it up a little? Did anybody page him? Did anybody page him?
What's the person's name that you're supposed to be with? Also, just to let you know that Dion is supposed to have her baggage.
I think from what I'm gathering is the restroom was too full on the concourse. She left the concourse. She came back to the exit.
Yeah, I did.
And it denied all.
Yeah, I heard from Mark. Just give me the lowdown.
Yep.
All right.
You bleed, man?
I don't know.
That's my blood. It's your blood?
Okay, I think she needs explained what happened to her.
Right now you're going to be charged with battery on a police officer, me.
I didn't hurt you.
Resisting with violence. I got her, and going through the sterile area.
What do you mean?
You ran through
but
the
I didn't hurt you. I was trying to get the other guy to come with me. I don't have an ID or anything with me.
Well, there's different ways to handle that.
You can't run through the sterile area screen. You can't just go back and through there. It's just common sense.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Everybody knows that. How old are you? All right. How old's your boyfriend? What's the name?
Stop wiggling your hands around. Okay.
keep your hands in one place, and it won't hurt. If you move your hands around, now I'm double locking to make sure they don't tighten back up on you. Okay. Now they won't tighten as long as you hold your hands just like that. Okay. You got plenty of space. In fact, they're almost smaller. They're almost small enough to pull out. Don't pull out of them.
Am I going to jail today?
Yes. But with that said, okay, you'll go to first arraignment tomorrow. You'll probably be let out on bail, and then you go ahead and fight your charges and say, I didn't know, you know, whatever happened. You explain your side of the story. But the basic side is when you leave something and there's all these kind of signs says, do not enter, and you have someone saying, stop, stop, stop. Again, I wasn't there, and it'll all be on video. We have plenty of safety things.
I was there.
Yeah, and he was there. You can't ignore instructions in an airport from an official.
We don't know what you have. We don't
I don't have anything with me.
No.
How
Do you
do
understand what you're saying?
You can bring a bomb through.
Nobody
Under
had
your
anything
shirt.
with me.
This is a federal building. We don't know what you have under your shirt. We don't know what you have in your waistband.
Okay, all right.
Well,
I really didn't know. I'm so sorry.
Okay, you'll have a chance to explain that to the judge. Okay, other than your watch, do you have anything else on you of personal?
Earrings, they have to come off.
Yep, your earrings will have to come off and stuff like that.
Put gloves on.
Okay. I'm watching her, so there's not much I can do until a third person gets here.
I didn't know. But the one thing I thought is, like, if I had to go to checkout, they wouldn't let me in because I don't have nothing with me. And I was trying
we
to
do this
get
all the time. We can call your boyfriend or call.
I didn't know that.
Well, you just don't run.
Oh my goodness. You're done. Now, you're probably not going to get no time or anything like that because let's be quite frank. Nobody gets time for anything nowadays. You know what I'm saying? So you're going to get hit with whatever, maybe a fine or something like that or whatever, right? But you can't use the excuse that you didn't know because you ran past the security officer or whatever, the TSA guy. You ran past him. You hit him with a slow ass juke move. That thing was so slow. Like, come on now. The only reason why he got past is because he's old. You know what I'm saying? All of them are old. But you can't use the excuse that you don't know and with the fake tears. Like, no. You did know. That's why you ran past the guy. So you knew that you couldn't go back there and you did it anyways. Come on, man. Open and shut case in my eyes. But you know how the judge do. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the little fine up out her. You know what I'm saying? That's it.
I understand now. I really didn't know.
You okay? Yeah, I'm just a little out of breath. Yeah.
Okay, is Dion outside here?
Dion will be outside shortly.
Okay, and what I'm gonna do is give him her personal stuff right now. Okay, so as long as everything's okay and the sergeant allows it, we're gonna let you sit like this for now. Okay, there's tissue for you. Did you already use it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and the first chance I get, I'll try to get you a little bit of water.
Why would you go through the exit?
She didn't know.
I didn't know. I honestly didn't know.
Before you go anywhere else, okay? How did you get down there the first time?
Yes, I went to TSA, but I didn't have nothing with me, and I didn't know that. The only reason I went there because I was going to use that first bathroom, but the line was too long, and my plane was about to fly out, and so I was like, let me just. And I didn't know once you pass there, you can turn around, and
there's multiple signs.
I didn't see them. I swear.
All right. The only reason I asked is because you ruined the whole day because you did something you weren't supposed to do. How many times have you flown?
Huh?
How many times have you flown in your life?
A lot.
A lot. So you know each time that you go down to a concourse.
I didn't know that. I really didn't know that.
Okay, Grace. Grace, also the bottom line is the man in uniform said stop, stop, stop. Do you understand what I'm saying? You
I
know,
wanted
for
him
whatever.
to come with me to come and get my ID at least so he can see that I was already there.
When when law enforcement says stop, anybody of authority says stop,
sorry.
you have to stop.
I'm really sorry.
And basically that's why you're here, though. You refuse the lawful command.
I'm really sorry.
Okay. I mean, it happened. It's not the end of the world. It just seems like the end of the world now. Okay? It's going to be very traumatic, but hopefully 5 years from now, you know, you can maybe laugh about this and say, "Wow,
I didn't know that home care was like I never heard that before. Like the other place, airport, they don't have that. They don't have home care. They have just gates and stuff like that.
Yeah. Well,
I didn't know that.
every airport has a check line you go through. It's called the TSA checkpoint. Okay, that's where you go through the Listen. You're going from the non-sterile area to the sterile area. That means you've been scanned, you've been checked, you're sterile, you have nothing. When you go out the exit and now you're in an unsterile place, you just can't go back. Are you following what I'm saying?
But my thing was I didn't have nothing with me.
I understand that.
But
that's when you stop and you explain what happened, and then we find someone else, get in communication with Dion, get your information back here, and you go through the checkpoint again. You would have, no matter what happens, you still have to go back through the checkpoint because you just went to the unsterile area. That's why. Dion will probably have to get a hotel room for the night. Wait until you get a rain tomorrow, and if you can make bail or get released on your own recognizance and get a court date, then you can, but that's something that the court does, not us. Had you already gone to the bathroom?
Mm-hmm.
So you had disappeared and all of a sudden you appeared again. It can't happen that way. I mean, if you were in the chute, got halfway there and then turned around and said, whoa, I just forgot something. But here you are, a total stranger, zipping on down. Think, now that you calm down, think about the circumstance. Well, we understand you didn't realize it, but think about what we're thinking.
Could be a terrorist attack or anything. We don't know.
Man, she know what's going on, man.
You're a distraught wife or girlfriend going to get your husband or boyfriend. Alright, backseat check. It is clean. Yeah, right in there, ma'am.
Can you put the seatbelt on?
Yep, please. Yep. All right, Grace, I hope everything works out for you. You don't seem like a bad person. Just a confused person. There you go. All right.
A confused person.
That's in case I don't trust his driving.
Thank you.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest, assault on a peace officer, and trespass from the airport. Share your thoughts in the comments.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.